Turn the stupid things off. What cave have you guys been living in? And we're the idiots? Relax, I'm just kidding. Well, duh. Why would you want to do something like that? Makes sense. Things are not equal. Hey, it could happen. We got an email from a viewer recently criticizing our stance on amber turn signals. Now, I happen to believe that turn signals should be amber front and rear. The law in Europe requires that to be the case, but in North America, manufacturers have the option of using red for rear turn signals. Now, this viewer said he doesn't notice that much difference between amber and red turn signals, but the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said there's a 5 to 28% improvement in safety with an amber turn signal. The reason? I think it's pretty clear. There's a lot of flashing red lights going on in traffic. If the guy's just got a red signal flashing, it's a little harder to pick out. If it's an amber signal, you know he's turning and not just slowing down. Now, the viewer also makes the point that amber turn signals tend to deteriorate over time, and he's got a point there because the technology they use to coat the lens can in fact flake off and the amber slowly becomes white, and that's not nearly as effective. But that's a maintenance issue. I mean, when your tires wear out, you replace them. If your turn signal lenses wear out, you should replace them too. Now, some European manufacturers, they're required to have amber signals in Europe. They switch them to red for North America. Why? Apparently there are some styling preferences for red turn signals. But, I mean, if you priced a fender lately, I mean, a little fender bender crash can cost you $1,000. If an amber turn signal decreases that probability by 30%, count me in. I'm Jim Kenzie.
Hi. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And if you watch this on Facebook, like, follow, and share us. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.